saw this weird-looking bug in my sister's room. It was a black oval with, like, a furry top. The top is the part I looked at the most, because it had, like, gray parasite worms on top of it. The gray was super dark, but you could still notice the worms moving like they wanted to get out. It looked like something out of a horror game, but the bug itself wasn't huge. It was small, and moved fast and liked to stay near light. There were also little small balls at the bottom of its feet. It had antlers that also moved around, like a snake or something. It looked like a parasite bug, like an alien. The edges of the bug was kind of like a leaf. You know how leaves have the outer parts that are pointy? That's what the bug had. Anyways, I probably was tripping when I saw it because I'm always seeing weird creatures. Very cool, to say the least.